teach a man to fish and he eats for a life. How do you propagate plants from cutting? So this is a photo. On the left side, you see the photo of a stem which was already discarded for more than a year. And then I propagated it. Let me show you. This is what it looks like right now. Out of that one stem, I made 3 and 2 already have great growth happening. Now this is also one learning stage for us because all 3 parts of this stem were from the same plant. I did everything same for all these 3 parts of the cutting, but 2 of them have remarkably shown growth and the third one has not. There's no much growth. If we look at this one, it has great root growth happening, and same for this one. Wonderful root and wonderful shoot. How do you do this? Let's talk about that. So first of all, you make clean cut. If I touch it, it wets my finger. It's always recommended after you make a cut, you can leave it outside in air for a day or so. Then it forms what we call as callus, or basically becomes a layer, so that when you put it in water or anything, it is not going to rot. Otherwise, rotting can set in. So that's always recommended as the first step to do. For plants like this, Dracaena, anything which has this fleshy stem inside. Song of India, just take it, create a cut, put it in soil, in water, wherever you want to. Here is Dracaena, same thing. Syngonium, just like money plant, very easy to take a cutting from the stem. Another way to know it is a stem is you see these circles happening on the stem. So remember this, because I get a lot of photos of people trying to propagate Syngonium and they have put in the stalk and not this stem. I find that plants root faster in water. So let's compare these two. This one was in water and this one was in soil. Both of them have rooted, both of them are showing growth on top, so both of them will be successful. But you can just see that this in water has given more root, more shoot, and its general chance of survival is higher. So I would recommend, as a beginner, try to do rooting in water, because another really good thing when you are rooting in water is you can see the root formation happen. In soil, you won't know whether it's something is working below but you can't see the shoot, or nothing is happening, right? So just a general tip. Otherwise, you can root in both.